Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain what the ancients did for us, focusing on Rome. We'll explore their incredible contributions to engineering, law, and daily life that continue to shape our world today. Get ready to discover how Roman ingenuity laid foundations for many aspects of modern society, from the roads we drive on to the legal principles we uphold. Let's dive into the lasting legacy of this powerful civilization. The Romans were master builders, and their engineering prowess is still evident. They perfected concrete, enabling the construction of massive, enduring structures like the Pantheon. Their aqueducts, some stretching over 50 miles, delivered millions of gallons of fresh water daily to cities. A vast network of roads, totaling over 50,000 miles, connected their empire, facilitating trade and military movement. Their innovative use of arches and domes provided incredible structural strength. Beyond their physical structures, Roman law profoundly shaped Western civilization. They established fundamental principles of justice and fairness, many of which we still uphold. Concepts like innocent until proven guilty and the right to a defense originated in their legal system. Their comprehensive civil law code became the foundation for legal systems in many European nations, and the very idea of a republic, with elected representatives, directly influenced the formation of modern democracies. Beyond these grand achievements, Roman daily life also left its mark. Public baths were vital social hubs, and the Julian calendar, with its 365 days, remains our standard. Speaking of daily routines, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. You can find a link to them, along with other great deals, in the description below. Finally, Latin, the language of Rome, forms the basis of many modern languages, enriching our vocabulary and understanding of the world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.